Hello guys, I'm Paris the options guy and welcome back to today's video. And if you see Bank Nifty exactly taking support from the zone that I had said in yesterday's video, you guys can go ahead and watch that if you want to check the zone out. But yes, if you see Bank Nifty taking support and then giving a very good rally till 53,000, you would have gotten many sort of setups on the downside over here, which would have given you very good profits. And from there itself, if you see Bank Nifty gave a very good rally almost till 53,000, and then in the end we saw a little bit of profit booking, right? Talking about Nifty didn't give such a big pullback on the downside. I had said that 660 to 620 would be the zone where you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trend, but Nifty actually went up a little bit before that itself. But yes, even if you would have taken a bullish trade, let's say above this zone, right, about 23,750, you would have made good money. And yes, what can we do for tomorrow now? Now, the data that I'm going to show you right now, if you see, pros have started cutting their long positions over here. If you see, pros have completely removed their future longs over here. Just 304 contracts now left. And talking about over here index call options, these guys have started booking their long calls also, and they have heavily removed their put short positions today. I think they must have not removed it, but rather let those put short positions expire, because today was Bank Nifty's expiry, right? So if you see, pros have started to cut their long positions. So now what might happen is that in the next 2 or 3 days and the next 2 or 3 trading sessions, we might see a little bit of you can say either a pullback or a consolidation before we break 53,000 on the upside. Because breaking 53,000 on the upside will not be a very easy task, because if you see, Bank Nifty has already gone from 50 on 100 to almost 52,000, you can say 53,000. So that's almost like 1800 points of rally, straight rally, right? So now Bank Nifty will need to take a little bit of breather, right? Now where can it take a breather is first level, same 52,400, this level, right? Now if this level is being held, then we can think about taking again a bullish position from here for tomorrow, but our targets will be very small. And another thing is that please keep your quantity less for tomorrow, right? Why do I say so? Is because now the trend has already happened in the market. This trend has already happened, right? So now will be a bit of volatile to sideways phase in the market. So when that happens, and when we are expecting a bit of volatility in the market, it is better to reduce your quantity and go a little less aggressive, right? Sure, Bank Nifty might break 53,000 and again go up and give you maybe 300-400 points of another 300-400 points of rally, but the major rally that had to come, and I had said to you guys also over here also, you can go aggressive, because chances are that Bank Nifty should break tomorrow itself and continue, and start to move up. And today also, if you see, yesterday's video, I didn't say like don't go very aggressive, because there was still a little bit of scope left on the upside, right? And over here also, as I said, I didn't say that don't go aggressive, right? So there are times to be aggressive in the market and there are times to be passive in the market, right? So now is the time where we be a little passive, at least until we get a little bit of clarity, at least until we get to know what exactly is the market going to do next, right? So now, as I said, that a little less quantity for Nifty. If you see, actually, let's first talk about Bank Nifty completely, then we'll jump out to Nifty. So for Bank Nifty, the major level to watch out is 52,400 to 350. This area, if this area is being held tomorrow also, if Bank Nifty is seeing good buying coming from here, then you can think about taking a bullish position again, but only till the target of 52,700 on the upside, because then Bank Nifty might again take resistance, come down, or again go up till 52,900, all these levels. But keep in mind that do not wait for very big targets thinking that tomorrow also Bank Nifty will hit a very good all-time high. We'll again see a rally from 52,400 to 53,000, like another 500 point rally till 53,500, whatever. This does not happen every day. So for tomorrow, a little less aggressive and book your profits fast. Do not wait for big profits, either on the upside or on the downside also, right? Now we might see a little bit of profit booking, and that will happen if we open above 53,000. If we open above 53,000 and near 53,100, you are saying that market has started to make negative price action, then you guys can go ahead and take a short trade near 53,100. Why do I say so? Is because a lot of people will start buying as soon as we go above 53,000. And we know that pros are actually booking their profits in their long positions over here. If you see in all of their long positions, be it index futures, be it calls, be it puts, they are booking their profits in all of those long positions they made in different instruments, right? So we also know that as we go at higher levels, they will again book their profits and not make long positions again, because they have made long positions from, actually, I'm really sorry about that. Yes, they made long positions over here at lower levels, right? So now is the time where they'll book their profits and not make the long positions again, right? So as I said, 53,100 to 53,000, this area will be the area where you think about taking a short position again. Because now, if you want a little bit more confirmation, you can wait for price action below 53,000 also, right? And if that happens, even then you can think about taking a short position, because then the market will again come back down till 50 to 700 at least, because this will be a bit of a support zone, you can say. And if it breaks, then we are again, you are going to get 200 points more rally on the downside. So as I said, that you can think about taking a short position for tomorrow, only for tomorrow at higher levels. It is fine if you miss this rally, as I said, because we've captured the major part of this rally, right? And if you did not capture this part, that is also fine. Do not try to force yourself into, you know, trying to take a trade which is not for you, right? So that is fine. If you do not, if you didn't get this rally, that is fine. We'll get another rally in a few days, right? Maybe on the upside, maybe on the downside, however, wherever we'll get it. But now is the time where we'll think about booking our profits. But in the daily charts also, if you see, Bank Nifty has made a candle which could indicate that tomorrow we might see either a wick on the upside, and then the closing might be at lower levels, because some sort of sellers need to be invited into the market, right? If the market has to continue on the upside, some sellers will need to be invited, right? Only then will the market continue to move on the upside. So as I said, 52,400 important level. If that breaks, then we are looking at 15,900 to 52,000. This zone then will be the major support, from where we can again start to take long positions till again the target of 53,000 first of all, and then higher targets of 53,500, 54,000 also, right? So that is the plan for Bank Nifty. If we open with a gap down also, even then these levels are valid. Please do not hesitate to take long positions at these levels. But if you open with a gap down, keep in mind that volatility will be a bit high, because then a lot of buyers and sellers will try to fight and take positions, because of which volatility might be a bit high over here, right? If you open flat, don't do anything, because then there are multiple supports on the downside, resistance on the upside. So if you open flat, don't do anything. If you open with a gap up, as I said, at 53,000 or above 53,000, then you can wait for one up move in the market and then think about taking a short position. And at lower levels also, think about taking a long position from here, and not before that, right? That is for Bank Nifty. Talking about Nifty, if you see, Nifty is at the higher level of this trend line, right? Now two things can happen for Nifty over here. Now Nifty is not looking like it should be taking short positions should be taken in Nifty at least until 24,000 to 23,960 is arrived, right? Over here is the best place where you can take a short position in Nifty, because Bank Nifty has already reached near its round number, and it saw profit booking. So we know that Bank Nifty might start to see more profit booking in the coming sessions, or in tomorrow's session. But for Nifty, we still have a little bit of space left on the upside, and Nifty, if you see, hasn't seen profit booking. Yes, there was a red candle in the end, but this is not much of a fall like we've seen in Bank Nifty, right? So tomorrow, if you open with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 23,950 and all these levels, or 23,980, all these levels, then at higher levels near 24,000 to 24,050, in this area, if you see market makes negative price action, we will go ahead and take a short position from there, because chances are market will then show you a little bit of profit booking from higher levels back again till at least 23,880 on the downside. And please do not think that this is a very far-fetched thing, because as I say, because if you see Nifty also going from 23,360 all the way up to, let's say, if you open with a gap up also, it is almost like 650 points, right? And today itself, if you see, 500 points are done. So Nifty will also need to take a little bit of pullback over here, right? So again, our target of 24,000 is also coming very close. That I had given on 4th June itself. I said it in 4th June's video that if we close about 22,600, 24,000 will come very easily, because as I say that whenever the market starts to trap someone, it will move up very fast from there, right? And if you see, market trapped all the sellers over here, closed about 22,600, and then just look at that rally till 24,000. So I hope you guys would have at least invested something in that fall, and if you didn't, that is fine, because keep, there will market will is open for years, right? We don't know when the market will get over or anything. We don't know until when can we invest. So you'll get many opportunities in the market. Please do not just go into FOMO and invest at the highest level thinking that Nifty will now go to 25,000, 26,000, all these levels. There will also be corrections, and in those corrections is where it is best to invest, not at the highest levels. Don't invest at the level where you need to book your profits. Rather, um, think about booking your profits on your investment portfolios. It is better to do so over here. I mean, if you want to take a little bit of extra hassle to an extra returns, only then. If you are just going to forget about your investments, then there is nothing to worry about. Just leave your investments in good companies and leave them for many years, right? But still, for Nifty, if you see at lower levels, 23,680 to 720, this area will be the important area, which will be the first area where we can think about taking a bullish position again. If the market comes near this area and starts to make positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade again. But what should happen in the market is we should not open straight up near 23,700. If that happens, then it will be a bit of a bad thing, because then opening with such a big gap down will result in a will result in a sort of a sell off or a bit of a panic sell off in the market, and then we might see a bit of a deep correction till 23,560 to 520 also, right? And then this zone might not even get held over here. Chances are we might break it and go a little bit more deeper. So we should open with a small gap down, 100 points gap down or less than that is fine. And then if we are going near 23,720 to 680, then you can think about taking a long position from there. But if this 680 is broken, then you can think about taking a long position from 640, right? 640, because this trend line over here then will act as a support for Nifty, and Nifty might again see a little bit of buying coming from there all the way up till 23,720 again, right? So for Nifty at lower levels, as I said, these are the levels where you can think about taking a buying position. Higher levels, if you open with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 23,950, 960, all these levels, wait for market to go up till 24,000. If then once the market reaches 24,000 over here, if you are seeing any sort of negative price action being made, maybe a candle like this in 15 minutes chart, maybe a lower low being made in 5 minutes chart, anything that you see, then you can think about taking a short position from there again till the target of 23,880 at least. But I have a feeling that market will not stop over here, at least come down, the market will at least come down till 23,800 easily, right? So yeah guys, that was it for tomorrow. For tomorrow we'll keep a sell on rise view, because it looks like the pros are starting to book their profits. So if you open with a gap up, they will again try to book their profits, maybe make a little bit of short positions also, maybe light short positions. So as I said, don't go very aggressive. These are the now we'll see a bit of a volatile couple of volatile sessions, and then we might see again a trending move either on the upside or on the downside. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.